Good PM, ngayon po ay Saturday, August 22, 2026 at ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong Saturday, August 22, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong August 22, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na lumabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Saturday, August 22, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Lotto 642, Grand Lotto 655 for August 22, 2026, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Saturday, August 22, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.